Updating existing CRM contacts with new form data can save you a lot of time and keep your records fresh and accurate. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that without wasting any time. Stick around because by the end, you'll be able to instantly sync your form data to your CRM contacts, ensuring they're always up to date and ready for action. Plus, I've got a special offer for an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, so keep watching until the end. Let's dive straight into it. First, ensure that you have your CRM and your form data ready. Whether you're using a contact form on your website or a lead capture tool, the data you collect needs to be transferred into your CRM seamlessly. Step 1. Start by accessing your CRM dashboard. Look for the section where your contacts are stored. This is typically under Contacts or Leads, depending on your CRM software. Step 2. Now, let's find the contact you want to update. You can use the search bar to quickly locate a specific contact, or if you have a lot of them, navigate through your list. Once you've found the contact, click on their profile. Step 3. In most CRMs, there will be an option to edit the contact. Click on the Edit button, and this is where you can manually update the contact's information. Step 4. Here's where the magic happens. Next, you want to input the new form data into the appropriate fields. If you're updating multiple contacts at once, you might want to look for an import or batch update option. Some CRMs will allow you to import CSV files directly, which can be a game changer if you have large data sets. Step 5. But if you're updating just one contact, simply paste the new data into the correct fields. This might include fields like email address, phone number, company name, or any custom fields you've set up. Step 6. Once you've updated all the necessary fields, make sure to save the changes. You don't want to lose that valuable new information. Step 7. For automated updates, you can integrate your form tool directly with your CRM. Many CRMs allow integrations with tools like Zapier, which can automatically sync new form submissions to the corresponding contact profiles in your CRM. This will save you from needing to manually input the data every time you get a new lead or update. Now, let me show you a shortcut that will save you even more time. If your CRM allows it, set up workflows or automations to handle updates like these. For example, every time a form is submitted, it could automatically trigger an update in your CRM. If you've ever been frustrated by manual updates, automating this process can make a massive difference in efficiency. But don't worry if this sounds complicated. Our software simplifies this entire process, and you can even follow along with their tools. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've covered. To update your CRM contacts with new form data, you'll need to find the contact, edit the fields manually, or use batch updates for larger datasets. And if possible, automate the process to save even more time. The key takeaway here is that keeping your CRM updated with fresh form data isn't just about staying organized, it's about making your business more efficient and ensuring you're always working with the most accurate information. As a reminder, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so grab it now if you want to follow along with our software and streamline your CRM process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.